Hi and welcome to Cash and Coins. Today I want to talk about what's been going on with the gold and silver market. And I want to tell you what I'm doing. And a little bonus at the end. Well, let's get into it. Hi and thank you for joining me here at Cash and Coins. As you know, the precious metal markets have been a little wild lately. Some people are fearing that gold and silver keep dropping. They're not sure what to do. But I'm a long-term investor. I buy and I buy especially when gold and silver take a dip. To me, they're on sale. As you will see in this video, I am including some unboxing because I have been buying during the dip. Yes, I bought gold and silver. If you look at the charts, especially gold charts, you will see gold always goes back up. And yes, silver usually follows. As you probably heard 1,001 times, buy the dip. And that's what I do. I'm not a financial advisor, just telling you what I do. Alright, let's do a Google or a Yahoo search. Alright, let's look at this for silver. So we see articles on why silver is dropping, but look at this. And this is why silver is so valuable. This is from PV Magazine. Alright, let's scroll down. I'm going to just get to the points on each of these articles that I hit. In my career, I did extensive work on alternative alloys without any real success, he said. Life testing and electrical efficiency losses always brought us back to silver alloys. Watson said that engineering teams use precious metals in electronics for a reason. Silver, of course, is the most conductive mineral in the world, with good corrosion resistance properties assisting the durability of the module, he added. Well, enough said about that? Yes, silver is a big part of industry. They can't find anything to replace it. So silver will always be a needed metal. It's used in so many industries, and most importantly, in the renewable energy resources that we're heading towards. Now let's take a look at this article on Yahoo Finance. Said just going to get to the important part. That being said, this is likely going to be a scenario that people are looking for value in the market that is obviously bullish. The long-term reopening should, in theory, continue to drive up the value of silver and the demand, of course. Yes, now that things are getting back to normal, production of goods that use silver will ramp up and silver will start to move. Always volatile, but always moving forward. Now let's take a look at gold. Plenty of stories here as we look through here. Let's look at some of these. Well, here's one from NASDAQ. Again, like I said, I'm just going to the meat of it here. I expect gold to catch a bid when consumer prices really start to turn up on additional stimulus. Until then, I see now as an attractive time to buy. Yeah, and that's what I'm doing. Do your own research. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing. All right, let's look a little bit more. This report from CNBC states, gold is likely to go lower from here, says Philip Strable, chief market strategist at Blue Line Futures in Chicago. So, is that a good thing? I would think so. Because if gold drops, that means I can buy more. Now let's take a look at this article in Business Today. It's titled, Gold Prices Hit 8-Month Low. Should you invest now? Let's get all the way down to the meat of this. And what does it say? Should you invest in gold now? According to the experts, this opportunity of lower gold prices should not be missed. Long-term investors should grab up this opportunity to accumulate the gold at these levels. Well, what does this tell me? It looks like it's time to buy more gold and more silver. Now, I'm much heavier on gold than silver because gold has dropped more. And as I always say, buy what you can afford, buy what you like. Buy the metals that you prefer. Everyone's situation is different. I have both silver and gold, and I feel like I'm covered either way. And as promised, this is my unboxing bonus. I did buy my first 24 karat 0.999 fine, a 2021 American Gold Buffalo. Now I did buy it along with the silver that you saw earlier and the gold maple. Some of the silver that I bought is more of the collector side or semi-numismatic stuff, and that's usually what I do buy when premiums are high, because I do always like to buy, and I am a stacker and a collector. Well, I hope this information was helpful. I hope it was educational and entertaining. I'm also including a little extra bonus unboxing of some other silver collectible coins that I did purchase, since these silver prices were also dropping. Alright, well, enjoy it, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Tell me, are you buying in the dip, or how your strategies for buying gold? I do really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and as I always say, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.